going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a brand new video. Sorry about the lighting, it's an early morning start today. Audi A4, as you can probably see, I'm in the Audi A4. Today we're going to be getting the front bumper put on the car and getting some paint for the car. I will be getting the car painted at some point, but I'm still waiting on the bonnet. But for now, I've taken off the front bumper and I've taken off the headlight. I've got an inner wheel liner as well, so the arch liner I've got it for the passenger side, and I've got all the brackets for the headlight as well for the passenger side as well. Only thing we need is a grille for the car. We've obviously got a bumper, and I need a grille for the car and a bonnet to get this car up and running and ready for paint as well. So for now, obviously I've got the airbag kit as well that's come, so we do have that, but I won't be fitting the airbag kit in this video. I'll do that in another video. But yeah, let's get the bumper put on the car. I'll show you what I've done already. I've made the start on taking the other bumper off. It's quite easy, but I'll show you what I've done already. Let's get into it. Right, so far we've got the inner wheel liner there, and we've made a start on taking this off. So we've got the bumper already off. This side is all right. We've got the crash bar. Do have another crash bar in the boot, but I'm not going to fit that today. We just want to get the bumper on the car for transporting purposes, so I can actually drive the car to and from the body shop. There's no damage to this, there's no damage to this car at all. It's actually, pretty good, man, to be fair. So surprised they even done this as a cat, but that's what the engine looks like. Look at those beasts. It's pretty bloody mint underneath there. Yeah, anyways, before it starts raining, let's get the wheel liner in. Right, guys, as you can see, this is the bumper we've got with the car. It's not a match, but for now it's going to do. It's starting to rain, so I just want to get this bumper on there. It's actually in really good condition. It's actually come with the vent covers, the parking sensors as well, and obviously a crash bar. I paid £280 for that, so remember the numbers. It's actually in really good condition, but it will be getting painted. For now, let's get it on the car. Right, guys, we've also got this brand new piece here. I think it's like the headlight carrier, so obviously I'm trying to find where that goes, but good thing the old piece was still there, so I am just going to be taking off that, remembering everything goes. But we've got a brand new one off the headlight carriers. So far our bumper's lining up really well, but yeah, got that to take off and then fit this bad boy. So let's get this fitted and we'll continue the video. Right, guys, as you can see, we're working on the wheel liner, the inner wheel liner, and we've got the bumper on, so she's looking all right. Put the old grill back on. We also hammered this out because it wasn't closing, so we're just giving this a bash from the other side. Temporary fix, nothing a hammer can't fix, but everything's on. It's lined up all right. Bumper, as you can see, is a different color. This is all temporary, guys. We will be taking it to the body shop. As I said, we just want the car to be maneuverable and usable. But got all new brackets for the inside as well. Headlight carriers, got everything's new, all that's new. But everything, there's no damage inside this thing. Radiator looks legit. As you can see, just needs a good clean. Nothing's bent. All the wheels and everything line up, everything's all straight. Engine looks legit. But yeah, she's getting there. Let's get this wheel liner in and we'll be done. Right, guys, look at how she is looking. Don't forget, obviously we need a bonnet for the car, but for now she's looking all right. We need a grille. Obviously I've got a black grille coming for the car, so all in all she's actually looking quite nice and savage. Got a few screws missing. I think we got one screw missing for the top side there, so I will have to get one of them. However, I didn't put it on properly. I didn't mind because obviously I've got the bumper coming back off to get repainted and stuff like that. So but yeah, birds have got to it. Interior is looking good as always. Still got the airbag kit, we need to get on that, but other than that she's all right. So yeah, as you can see, car's turned out all right actually. Drives nicely. She's on the road, everything works. We still need to get MOT for the car, so I don't know when I'm going to be uploading these videos. I'm just documenting everything as I'm doing them, so maybe by the time I've uploaded this, the car might already have MOT and airbags fitted to the car. So stay tuned, guys. I will be uploading stuff as I go along. I've got so much backlogs of things that I'm doing. I'm just, every time I've got a car, I do some recording. So stay tuned. Everything will come to you guys when it comes to you guys. And I'm sure it will all make sense when it makes sense. But when I put the cars up for sale, it will be in real time as well. So stay tuned, man. Make sure you hit subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you like the channel and all that good stuff. So see you people in the next one, man. I'm knackered. I've been up early. And Audi's got the bumper on. And she's ready to go to the paint shop and get the rest of the stuff done as soon as that bonnet comes. Stay tuned, guys. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Right, guys. As you can see, the car is all done. My man is taking the whip. Congratulations, broski. Little Robbert's got the car now, so I'm just chilling doing what I'm doing. He's gonna drop me off home. He's looking legit. Can you please take me home now, Rob? He loves doing his TikToks on people. Woo, look at him. Jack this seat right up, mate. He's looking right over. You might as well have a fucking convertible. Put that still. Let's see him reverse out here. Does he know how to drive the thing? Look, put that down. Ooh, let's see. Let's just watch the footwork. Ooh, windows and all that. Press that in. Trust me, mate. Make sure you're not accelerating. You gotta have the brake in and you gotta push it down, man. Don't accelerate all the time. This is auto. You gotta learn to just have the brake. Never use auto gears, bro. Check him out. There we go. Oof, he's doing it. He's doing it. Yeah, I'm gonna let him do his thing now. I'm not gonna record it, wasting my memory now.